Hey guys, this is Edwin here with Pak Home Realty. Just want to give you an introduction on myself, why you should use me as your realtor, right? 23 years in business in the real estate market, right? I work with many brokers out there where I learn my experience, my expertise, my knowledge, right? So why use me as your realtor, right? We have legal documentation. There are many legal documents that need to be signed and reviewed during the escrow process, right? Without a knowledgeable realtor like myself, you might find yourself with legal disputes, unfair transactions, and I don't think you want to go through that, right? Like pricing a home, accurate home pricing as your realtor. I run analytics on home sales, prices per square feet, comparables, right? Statistics on neighboring properties, right? When negotiating, when selling your home, there are going to be many items that need to be negotiated during the escrow process, right? This could be repairs, close of escrow dates, right? Contingencies, right? We have to make sure we're doing everything right. Extensions, right? We need an extension too. When selling your home, we have to make sure the buyer's doing their thing, their job right? So this is what I do best: protect you and your asset, right? So if you have any concerns about any of these items, if you are thinking of selling your home, reach out to me as your realtor, professional, accountable, knowledgeable realtor on your side to get the job done. Okay? Talk to you soon.